It is day 3. Let's continue our yoga foundation and help you relax better. Welcome, my name is Jen. And remember, the goal of this challenge is to make yoga accessible and enjoyable for everybody. So we're going to start with gentle relaxed poses once more, focusing on just proper alignment and breathing. Now, as a beginner or someone who has not done this the first time, or you're not used to it, there's a likelihood that you might be a little bit stiff because your muscles are exploring something new, so it's pretty normal. Everyone's got to start somewhere. Just focus on being present and intuitive, or listening as much as your body. Let's begin. We're going to start off by lying down for a change. You can even do this in bed. You just grab the back of your knees, roll yourself down. Feel free to rock from side to side. Give your back a bit of a massage. And then we're just going to drop our feet down and lift one leg up to the ceiling. So the idea is we're stretching out the hamstrings, and if you want a bit more, you can stretch up through the calves. And we're just grabbing either the back of the knees, or if you want more, you can grab the back of your calves. With the ankles, if you want to give your calf a bit of a stretch today, you can flex your foot, so just point your heels up to the ceiling. If not, you can just relax your ankles, or you can even do some slight rotation and click those ankles like mine. Making sure your tailbone is comfortable, your back is comfortable. I know your hands are working a little hard. Just try to relax the shoulders back and down. Feel free to close the eyes and take a deep breath in. And a long, deep breath out. Staying here, just do about 3 or 4 deep breaths. Inhaling in and exhaling out. So just a couple more. Feel free to follow my voice as the guide of your deep breath. So breathing in and breathing out. And one more. And slowly release the leg down. Feel free to give it a bit of a jiggle or shake, or you can extend the leg out. We're going to the other side. Let's try to use our breath to set up on the side. So breathing in as you lift the leg up. Find the option on your hands, and then breathe out to relax the tailbone. Same thing, adjust the range of the length of your stretch if you like, but I want you to be enjoying in that space. So not too hard, because some of you it might be new to you, so it's a bit stiff. Slowly release. It's like a intensity of 5 if you're arranging it from 1 to 10. So a little bit here, then take a deep breath in and breathing out. Same thing, give yourself 3 or 4 deep breaths on this side, and you can either loosen up the ankles or flex the foot. If you point your toes, you're going to feel a bit of a stretch down the shin and a bit of strengthening down your calf. A couple deep breaths, inhale and exhale. Breathing in and breathing out. Just inhale slightly to release the legs. Exhale, release the whole body. The next one now is called a banana pose in English, Balasana. So the idea is you're still lying down, but I'll show you the profile where we're going to grab our right hand and cross our right feet over, and you just want to nudge your hips away from you, so we look like we're creating a banana sort of pose lying down. So let's set ourselves up again. Lying down on the ground, grab your right hand, cross your right leg over, and you're just going to nudge your hips to the right. Then as you take that big breath, you want to pull your right arm, and then on the exhale you want to side bend to open up all the sides of the right. So from the top of the arms right down to the lats and your side ribs or your obliques, down to your feet. You're going to feel the sides of it stretch. Just try to rest the tailbone down. One more breath in, just pull a bit more. And then breathe out. Nudge yourself back to the center. Let go of your hands and uncross your feet. Switching sides. Left leg crosses. Grabbing your left arm. And nudging your hips to the left. Then breathe in. Stretch the arms. And your legs will tend to stretch or stretch away as well. So you're going to feel that full side length. Stay in tune into your breath, and then one more big breath in, pull a bit more, breathe out, release the hips down, and coming back to the center, release the arms and the legs, and you got one more. I call it like the peak of the most enjoyable pose is your happy baby. So bend your knees again, bring it to the chest, and I want you to bring your knees away from the center, kick your feet up. Either grab the back of the knees, or you can grab the outside of your ankles, or the inside. And the idea is we're rocking from side to side, like a happy little baby. Feel free to close your eyes and enjoy the deep massaging technique that you can do it on yourself, round the back. I mean, you're more than welcome just to be in the middle or stay still and just push your heels or push your knees into the floor. So it's a matter of pushing your knees into the floor so we straighten out through our spine and also deepen the back muscles. And let it go, touch down, and we're done for day 3. Great work on day 3. Remember, consistency is always key. I cannot emphasize on that. Keep practicing these poses and you see improvements. So you can stick to day 3 for a whole week, or just stick to day 3 and see what happens next on day 4. You'll definitely see improvement in your flexibility and strength and overall well-being, just because we are also practicing breathing slowly. So how are you feeling so far? It's been 2 days. This is day 3. Share the experience on the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for our day 4 challenge. If you enjoyed this video around yoga and fitness, push the like button to let me know you want to see more. While you're at it, hit the subscribe button down below to be in touch with more videos coming up.